A coffee maker is a kitchen appliance used to brew coffee efficiently and conveniently. It typically consists of several components, including a water reservoir, a filter basket, a heating element, and a carafe or coffee pot. The brewing process begins when water is poured into the reservoir and heated by the internal heating element. As the water reaches the optimal temperature, it flows through a tube and drips over the ground coffee in the filter basket. The hot water extracts flavors and oils from the coffee grounds, producing a rich and aromatic beverage that drips into the carafe below. There are various types of coffee makers, including drip coffee makers, espresso machines, single-serve pod systems, and French presses. Drip coffee makers are the most common in households and offices due to their ease of use and ability to brew multiple cups at once. Espresso machines use high-pressure water to create concentrated coffee, often used as a base for lattes and cappuccinos. Single-serve coffee makers, like Keurig or Nespresso, provide quick and convenient brewing with prepackaged pods. The French press, a manual method, involves steeping coarsely ground coffee in hot water before pressing down a metal or mesh filter. The benefits of using a coffee maker include time efficiency, consistency in brewing, and convenience. Many modern coffee makers come with programmable features, allowing users to set a brewing time in advance. Some high-end models also have built-in grinders, milk frothers, and customizable settings